Hello, episode number 2 of our Rueda course, and we are focusing on changes in Rueda. In this class, we'll show you Enchufla, Enchufla doble, Enchufla triple, and Adios. Let's do it. We start with guapea as usual, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, Enchufla, step, back, change. Partner go front, front, front. Dile keno hop, step, step, step. Both back, cheeky, cheek, front, cheeky, puku. One more time, Enchufla, hop, we go. 1, 2, 3, go, next, go. Dile keno hop, step, step, step. And now, Enchufla doble, 5, 6, 7. 1 Enchufla, hop, block, 5, 6, 7. Go next, 5, 6, 7. Enchufla triple, straight away 3 times, hop. And third time we change partners. Second, hop, 5, 6, 7. Third, and go, 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 go. Dile keno hop, step, step, great. 1, 2, 3. We could do Enchufla as many times as we want, but we normally don't go more than 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Second move. 1, adios. We come closer. 1 to go next. Go, go, go. Dile keno hop. And 5, 6, 7. We've done already Adios con la hermana video, as well as we did video about Enchufla al centro. So if you want more technicalities about these steps, I'll link the videos in the top corner of this video. And let's do Adios one more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, hop. Walk, walk, walk. Dile keno hop. And 5, 6, 7. It's quite difficult to talk to our viewers and keep dancing. And 1, dame. 5, 6, 7. 1, adios. 6, 7. 1, come closer. 5, 7, and 1. Enchufla. 5, go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1 Enchufla doble. 5, 6, hop. 1, 2, 3. 5, go next. 1, hop. 5, dame dos. Skip. 1, hop. Go. And dile keno hop. 5, 6, 7. Back, cheeky, cheek. Front, and music. I will mix everything. So, dame, dame dos, directo from previous episode, and now Enchufla doble, triple, and adios. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Dame. 6, 7. Dame dos. 6, 7, and 1. Enchufla. 5, 6, go. 1. 5, 6, 7. Directo. 5, 6, 7. 1. Guapea. 6, 7. 1. Dame. Directo. Otra. Another one. Hop. Repeat the same command. Hop. 5, 6, 7. Enchufla triple. Hop. 6, 7. 1. 6, 7. 2. 6, 7, and 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Dame. 6, 7. Dame dos. 5, 6, 7. Otra. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Directo. 6, 7, and 1. Enchufla doble. And go. 1. 5, 6, 7. 2. Go next. 6, 7. Dile keno hop. 5, 6, 7. Bow. Back, cheeky, cheek. Front, cheeky, poco. Back, cheeky, cheek. And front, cheeky, great. I will mix everything. So, dame, dame dos, directo from previous episode, and now Enchufla doble, triple, and adios. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Dame. 6, 7. Dame dos. 6, 7, and 1. Enchufla. 5, 6, go. 1. 5, 6, 7. Directo. 5, 6, 7. 1. Guapea. 6, 7, 1. Dame. Directo. Otra. Another one. Hop. Repeat the same command. Hop. 5, 6, 7. Enchufla triple. Hop. 6, 7. 1. 6, 7. 2. 6, 7, and 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Dame. 6, 7. Dame dos. 5, 6, 7, otra. 5, 6, 7, and 1, directo. 6, 7, and 1, enchufla doble. And go. 1, 5, 6, 7, 2, go. Next. 6, 7, dile que no, hop. 5, 6, 7, bow. Back, cheeky, chick. Front, cheeky, poco. Back, cheeky, chick. And front, cheeky, great. They are laughing at me every single time when I come here in front of camera and speak to you, but I have to finish every video. And again, if you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, and press the bell. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. If you have any suggestions, what kind of moves you would like to see, what kind of Rueda moves you would like to see, let us know in the comments, and we might do it. So, like, subscribe, and press the bell. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and as usual, some suggestions, especially related to this video. So Adios con la hermana and Enchufla al centro should pop up somewhere on the side of the screen right now when I'm talking. Thanks for watching and see you later. Bye bye.